In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under nitrogen and sulfur. So guys, we have three repeated questions to practice with. In this video, let's get started. The first question I have here says, nitrogen is prepared on a large scale by we have the composition of ammonium diazonitrate, 3 electrolysis of brine, fractional distillation of liquefied air, Haber process. So right answer is option C, fractional distillation of liquefied air. So that's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following gases is highly soluble in water at room temperature? We have ammonia, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, chlorine. So right answer is option A, ammonia. Guys, take note of this particular question, very important. The last question before I end this video will be this one. It says, what is the function of sulfur oxide in a reaction represented by the following equation? So let's check. You have option A, the hydrating agent, no bleaching agent, no acid, no oxidizing agent. Yes, because this sulfur oxide, the oxidized hydrogen sulfide gas to 3 moles of sulfur and 2 moles of water, so is acting as oxidizing agent. The right answer is option D. So guys, this basically can do problems involving sulfur and nitrogen for your chemistry practice with 3 repeated question for this topic. So hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's quit the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your next exam you'll be writing. Alright, so having not this, click on the screen above and I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.